shona malanga shona angafiki la ngiyakhona ma ngizofaka okugcina umoya kuyobonakala seqoqwa hey shona malanga shona angafiki la ngiyakhona ma ngizofaka okugcina umoya kuyobonakala seqoqwa hey shona malanga
insuku zenjabula fike kuphele lolu suku uqala kwami rap ngayiqala ngokuletha uchuku and now I realize ukuthi kumele ngilethe inzuzo. It's been 6 years ngirapha ngawubhekile umnotho. Remember I'm going higher every day. Akhona lapho ngepha busy standing on my way. What? I'm being funny be proud. No mistake is young performer funny fake crowd. You wasting your time and life is growing higher every day. I'm gonna make my mama proud. Ngifezela ifiso zakhe jabule ngalenga